teams of students here. Pass me the, and they are going to graph the equation y plus 2 equals negative 3 times the quantity in parentheses x minus 1. And they're going to use the point slope form of the equation. They're going to start out by entering the formula, and then the given, and then the slope, the x value, the y value, and the point value. And the students are going to alternate who does the writing. So every time one student does something, they'll pass the marker to the next student. When the students are finished graphing this, we have, on this team, we have Danison, Esmerna, and James. And over here, we have Erickson, Rachel, all by themselves. When the two teams are finished, they're going to compare. And if they don't agree, they're going to convince each other which team is right and come out with what they think is the right answer. Okay, teams, you can begin. And when you finish writing, you're going to give the marker to your next team member. You can only write one thing. Rachel, pass the marker to Erickson, please. As soon as each team member writes, they're going to pass the marker to the next team member.
Yeah, one.
Only one.
Yeah.
The white value.
Because only it's negative and
No, okay.
no, minus. Yeah, it's negative 2. And the formula. No, the first point. One. Yeah.
And now Clavy's going to pass the marker.
1, 2, 3, 1. 3 and 1 to the 3 up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the left. Yeah. 2 up and 1 to the left. 3, 1, 2, 1, no. 1, 2, 3, 1. Over there. 1.
A mí te lo que te quedan esos 5 cosas.
1.
One to the left. 1, 2, 3. 1 to the left.
Right here, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so teams, look at what you did and tell me if you both agree with each other.
Yes.
You agree?
The same. The same.
So it sounds like you're some really good teams. So just for clarification, because you obviously have got this, I would like to ask you some questions, and then we're going to go into a speed round. So my first question is, and I think I'll I'll name the teams by the girls since there's one girl on each team. So Team Clavy, somebody from Team Clavy, please tell me why the lines have arrows on both ends.
That means the slope continue.
How far does it continue? How do I know when it stops?
We don't know because that's a line that they're not gonna stop. You know what I'm saying?
Very good, you're right, it's never gonna stop. And we don't have time to keep going for the rest of our lives because we have other things to do. So that's a good question. Okay, Team Rachel, what is it about the slope number that you needed to compare to your graph line? What was important about those two being matching? How do you match the slope number to the graph line?
Can you repeat
Okay, let me rephrase my question. My question is, what does that -3 have to do with the direction of the slope? The slope line, the
We
slope,
down E1 for E
To the
right.
right.
The right, then we go E to up and one for left.
To the left, yeah.
okay, so how do I know which way? Suppose, now just suppose that your line had came out this way. What would you have said?
It's wrong because it's the left to the right. When the slope is
slope is
negative,
negative.
the line is the left to the
Slope
right.
is negative.
Good. So the fact that your slope number was negative, you knew your line should be left to right.
Yeah.
Okay, Team Clavy, what is your y-intercept?
Y-intersects 1.
1.
Yes.
Very good. And I think you guys understand this really good, so we're ready for the speed round. Let's give yourselves a hand. Thank you very much. Okay, and that will be all for today. Compliments of the team.